Hey friends, welcome back. Today we will talk about Chainlink's price. Where should you buy and when should you sell? I'll give you a mini lesson on technical analysis, which is the art of analyzing the price. All right, so here I am on Chainlink's chart, and we can see on the monthly chart what I always look at the monthly chart because we want to see the big picture. The big picture helps us give us clues on where the price is going. So you see that it's an upward trend. It's making a curve right here. Awesome. You see, if you have bought Chainlink back in 2019, when it was at roughly 50 cents, you would have been up close to 18,500% if you held strong hands. All right. So we look at the big picture. We could see that price is going up. It has corrected because of this candle here. Then we look at the weekly chart to have a more detailed look of the price action. And as you know, the game of crypto is buy low, sell high. You do that over and over again and get rich. For example, in this price range, whales have been accumulating, and then the price has pumped to 700% once it broke out of this range. And if you go back here, price found support and it ranged, and then once it has pumped and it broke out of this previous all-time high, it pumped 300%. So you can see this pattern repeating itself over and over again. Why is that? Because it's market psychology. Whales buy low, sell high. People who are inexperienced buy high, sell low. And it's understandable because if they bought high and price has dipped 50%, then of course they would feel fear and they would sell at the low. So what are we seeing right now? What we're seeing is the price has dipped 42%. So the question is, should we buy low and sell high? If you think the market is bullish, then yes, you should buy the dip. And you can see that chart is people are buying the dip. Next up, we look at the daily chart. The daily chart gives us clues of patterns so we can buy low and sell high. And what do I see when I look at the daily chart? I see support right here. Why is that? Because when price dipped to this $23 level, it got rejected. You see these lower wicks? It means it quickly got bought up. There was a nasty dump and it quickly got bought up. See, it hit this zone and bounced back up like 37%. You keep seeing lower wicks. So this is a strong support. I also see another support right here. Another support right here. So the question is, where should you buy and when should you sell? All right, so we have looked at the chart pattern, so we know where to buy low and sell high. By drawing in the support, we can see that where's the area of value, so you can buy low. You want to buy low when others are buying low, right? So what should you buy and where should you buy? All right, so first off, I'm not giving you exact where you should buy and sell because the trade is up to you. But if I were to trade, I would buy here. Would be the logical place to buy low, really low, is this area right here. This zone would be an excellent zone at $20 to buy. Why is that? Because if price does go down there, you're buying at a 50% discount. Does it mean that price won't go lower? Maybe. But I'm willing to bet that if price does go 50% at $20, $18 range, then that's a huge, huge discount to buy if you believe that we're still in a bull market. And I do believe we are. So next up is you want to look at your risk to reward. And this is what professional traders do. Risk to reward sounds complicated, but it's not. Let me explain. So say that price has dipped down like this. Say it goes down like this. And you think that this is such a good area to enter at because you suspect that price would pump eventually and make the all-time high. So what you do is you enter a trade and you set a stop loss. What do I mean by that? I'll explain. So right here, okay? So say you enter at this price right here at $18. If the price goes up like this, you enter here, it goes up like this, and to hit take profit level, it means that you have made 98% of your money. So say you're trading for $5,000, you have made 98% gain on that $5,000. But what if you're wrong? Then it goes down like this, and it hits your stop loss. It means you're out of the trade, and you lose 22% of that $5,000. So you see that you lose 22%, but you have potential to gain 98%. You trade with a mathematical edge. This is how you win money over the long term. You cannot just buy here and hope that it goes up. You have to analyze the chart, like I said earlier, with the support and resistance on the area of value where you should be buying. All right. So please always practice risk management. And next up, I have a very good news for you. Grayscale Investments, they're thinking of buying a bunch of altcoins, and they're thinking of buying Chainlink. As you know, Grayscale Investments is a company where they buy a bunch of crypto, and people can start buying shares of Grayscale. So if you're on Twitter and you heard of blockchain, Bitcoin shares, they're probably buying Grayscale. All right. So friends, I hope that you find this video informative. I'm sure you have. If you have found this video, then feel free to join my premium Telegram group where you can pick my brain. There's 40 people in the group, and I teach you how to invest. So when you enter a trade and you feel this fear, uncertainty, and doubt because you're not sure where to buy and sell, then you have to learn technical analysis. This will help you to enter a trade with confidence, so you know where you're going to buy and where you're going to sell. So feel free to join my group. It's $30 to start, and just message me on Telegram. All right. So I will make a video on Chainlink's price update every week if there's enough viewers. So please like and subscribe, and I will make an update on this video on Chainlink. All right. Another thing is you want to check my video of Bitcoin will crash, but when? Backed by data. In short, I suspect that Bitcoin will crash around summertime. So the bull market, summer to fall, is when it's the end of the bull market. It's a highly informative video, so feel free to watch it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.